Hey there, how's it going everybody? Welcome back. Dan here with plantabundance.com. I'm out here in the backyard food forest. My wife Alice.
Hi everyone.
And we are about to feature this Artic J white nectarine. Now this tree here has done very well for us. It's a beautiful tree and we've got a few fruits still left on the tree that we're going to be harvesting today. Cut it open, do a quick taste test, and just talk a bit about this amazing fruit. So as you can see, the fruit on this tree is absolutely gorgeous. You've got some white palish skin with some burgundy speckles and striping. So you got to really hunt for these sometimes. They can hide behind the leaves. And we've been picking these for the last couple weeks or so. Just a couple here and there. Not a huge harvest this year. But one thing really nice about this tree is it's been very easy to maintain. As you can see, we got a nice beautiful structure. This is planted as part of a hedgerow fruit tree planting, so it's relatively close to the trees on the left and the right, just a few feet apart. Now I did do a organic copper fungicide spray in the spring while the tree was still dormant, and that did the job of helping keep away any fungus problems. As you can see, we got just like a little bit on this leaf, but for the most part the tree's been extremely healthy throughout the year, and the spring pruning that I did on the tree has held up nicely. You can see we got a nice open center, so the tree's getting plenty of airflow, and it's really branched out nicely this year. So I'm really hopeful as we move forward into next year that the harvest just continues to increase. And there's some options to consider if purchasing one of these trees. They are grafted onto both a semi-dwarf rootstock, so the tree can be kept a lot smaller, between 8 and 10 feet, no problem, or a standard rootstock, so the tree can get taller up to 15 feet. So this tree is 6 years old. It was planted in the ground 5 years ago as a 1-year-old whip. And this is the first year that we've gotten a real fruit set on the tree. Last year, just a couple fruits. This year, we got at least 3 dozen or so fruit. So we're happy with that. So let's go ahead and crack one of these guys open on camera, share with you what the inside looks like, and do a quick taste test. So as you can see, the tree produces a nice sized fruit. Just 3 or 4 of these would make a nice little snack or a meal. So the fruit has a nice crispy texture. It takes a bit of chewing to get it down the hatch. It's very enjoyable, and it has a nice balance of sugar to acid. So I'm picking up notes of both honey and vanilla. And I can see this fruit going really well in maybe a fruit salad, dicing it up, mixing it up with some other fruits. You want to try a piece, honey?
It's crunchy, sweet. I want more. Same as peach, but I think we can slice and put it on the top of the salad.
That's a good idea.
Hmm?
Yeah, I'd definitely go good on top of salad.
I'm not selling it. This one is juicy.
Juicier than the other one?
That one, it's nice that we can put in the salad. It's like a little bit crunchy.
Yeah, all the ones that I've had this year so far weren't really juicy. They've just been crispy, crunchy, flavorful. Maybe I'll try another one too.
Same as peach, but the peach, this one has no hair.
The fuzz, yeah. I'm gonna try another one. Yeah, that one's a lot juicier than the other one. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm better than you to eat.
Let's see if the chickens like it. So I'd say that was a yes. The chickens were almost fighting over those little chunks of white nectarine. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for tuning in tonight. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. And until next time, this is Dan
And Alice.
from plantabundance.com. Until next time, take care. We'll be talking to you again real soon.